Hey there and welcome back. Now that we have covered the benefits of Klaviyo and how it can transform your email marketing, it's time to set up your account. So don't worry, if you are new to this, I will guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring it's straightforward and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you will have everything in place and be ready to take full advantage of Klaviyo's powerful tools. So now let's begin, and step number 1 is to create your account. So as you can see on the screen, you have to go to www.klaviyo.com, simply click on this, and after that, you will be directed on the Klaviyo's page, and it asks you for the sign up. As you can see on the screen, simply click the sign up option. And after that, you'll be required to fill up your email, create your password, and even your company's name, company website, your phone number, and why you will be using Klaviyo for. And let me fill this up quickly. So there you go. Now that we have created an Klaviyo account, now let's move on and see how it works. So here is a quick tip for you guys. So when you are creating or putting your email for creating your Klaviyo's account, make sure you put your business email instead of your personal one. So which makes it look professional and organizational as well. So now, once you have created your account, let's move on to the next step, which Klaviyo will ask you about your business. And you have to simply click on this and choose your business according to your preference. So here I'm choosing this and click on continue. And after that, you will be asked to fill out a few questions like what kind of business do you run, and all you can see on the screen. So simply click on this and according to your preference and what do you prefer. And next you will be asked to select your primary business platform. And as you can see, there are lots of business platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, and other platforms as well. So choose your platform according to your prefer. Now you will be directed to put your Shopify's URL. So I will skip this part for now and I will do this later. And then you'll be asked like how many contacts do you have, and this information will be used to personalize your Klaviyo account. So choose according to your preference. Then you will be directed to add your business address. So let me quickly fill this out as well and choose your country where you live in. Just like this, and simply click on this continue option after you are all finished out. And then you'll be asked to add your sender information. So choose the sender name and email address that will appear in your subscriber's inbox. So here we go. We have already kept the name and choose a Gmail address that you want to keep in. Come on, like this, and after you have given it all, simply click on this continue button. So as you can see, it will ask you how do you want to reach your subscribers. So it is currently saying that SMS is currently only available in US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, France, Germany, and so on, as you can see on the screen. So if you are in this country, you can choose SMS only, but right now I'm not here, so I'm going to choose the option of email only. Simply click on this, but it totally depends upon your preference. And after that, you have created everything. Email will be provided by Klaviyo in your email, and once you verify your email, you will be directed in Klaviyo's dashboard. So as you can see, your email has been already sent. Now all you need to do is verify on your email. So, as you can see, our email has been verified and you are now welcome to Klaviyo's dashboard. So now let's move on to the next step. So now, once you have entered your business info, you will be taken straight to your Klaviyo's dashboard, and this is your command center. Here, you will see an overview of your account and how everything is set up. Now that we are at the dashboard, you will see the welcome screen giving you a quick intro to Klaviyo's features, which is great for getting comfortable with the platform. So now that we are in the Klaviyo's dashboard, on the bottom left of the screen, you can see your company's name. Simply click on this and go to the settings. So now, on the personal tab, you will be required to fill out your personal information such as your first name, last name, and you can even choose your language preferences and even your email and your password, and you can even create a new password for it. And when you fill this out, it will help Klaviyo to identify you properly. So after you have filled out your personal information, let's go to the organization tab, as you can see on the screen. And here you can see that all your organization name, your emails, and the physical address has already been filled up, as you can see on the screen. So going down, you can see there is also the language preference, so you can choose your preferred language. For example, I choose Spanish and simply click Save after you have made some changes, and scroll it down, and there you can see the option of time zone as well. Simply choose your time zone according to your preference, and going down, there is also the currency option in which currency that you can trade in. And I am choosing here dollars, and after that, simply click on Save and make sure everything is okay, and do verify once you have checked out. So now, after you have filled all the organization details, now I want to add some team members. So for that, you can see on the screen there is this Users tab just below the organization. Simply click on this, and on the right you can see the Add a New User tab. So simply click on this. I just need to enter the email address. So let's say I am adding, for example, Sarah to my team member. So simply put their email address and choose the language, and select the option or the role that you want to assign them in. So for example, you can see on the screen there are different roles that you can assign in. For example, you have got this admin, so she can take full control, including billing and account settings. And there is the manager role as well, where she can edit and manage campaigns but can't change billing details. And then there is this campaign coordinator role, where she can create and send campaigns but doesn't have full account access. And also there is the option of analyst, where she can see reports and data but can't make any edits. And there are a lot more options here as well. So I'm gonna assign her in campaign coordinator, and after you have checked in all, simply add and click this add user option. So since Sarah will be handling email campaigns, I have given her the role of a campaign coordinator, and that's it. So Sarah will now get an email invite, and once she accepts it, she will be able to log in with the permission that I have given her. And just keep in mind that the invitation link expires after 12 hours. So if she doesn't accept in time, you will need to resend the invite from the user's page again. So now that we have set everything up, let's head to our Klaviyo's dashboard, and this is where all the magic happens. So here you'll find an overview of your account, including your active profiles, active campaigns, recent activity, and all. And remember, you can always return to settings to make your adjustments whenever is needed. So now it's time for a quick review. Double check your personal details, organization to information, and tracking settings to make sure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, click on the Save Changes, and one last time to finalize your setup, and that's it. You have successfully set up your Klaviyo account. Now you can start using all the tools Klaviyo has to offer to connect with your customers, automate workflows, and grow your business. See you guys in the next video.